Boom boom shazam everybody, how's things spicing up? My name is I Vitial Channel, and today I'm gonna talk about how to create a successful YouTube video. Now this is the part 3 video of the 3 video campaign. So if you haven't seen the previous videos, make sure you go down in the description and see them. So without further ado, let's get started. So now today we're gonna basically talk about intros. So to create an intro, you need to go and get Wondershare Filmora 9. So if you haven't got Wondershare Filmora 9, links in the description below. So first of all, I'm gonna show you my intro, and then I'm gonna show you how to create your own intro, and then we're gonna finish off this 3 video campaign. So first of all, let's start with our intro. So now this is my video, so we're gonna go ahead and drag it up and let's see my video. So you have seen this video so many times, so I'm not gonna show you all the things, but showing you the main parts. So as you saw that right here, this part where my intro and my logo comes right here, this part was also created in Filmora 9. And this glitch effect, also it was created in Filmora 9. So once we got here, we have this like and subscribe title and this little emoji. So this was also created in Filmora 9. So let's just back up our intro and go to our second part. So for our second part, we need to create our own intro. So for that, we need two things. We need a logo and our own music. So we're just gonna go and pick our own logo, and we'll take the music later. So first of all, you need to drag your logo right down here, right up here, and then you want to go to titles, and then choose any titles you like, and we're gonna choose this title 2. So you need to lock this title 1 right here, and then maximize and minimize your logo, like right here. So I minimized it a little bit. So let's minimize it a little more, and let's drag it up right into here, right there. So now go and do this for the same thing, but unlock this one, and then drag this box, this outer box down here, and then drag your title, and then drag your little title over here, and then you can maximize your logo as the way you like. So I'm gonna maximize my logo right about here and there. So now it's renaming time, so let's go and rename this your title 1 into our channel's name, Vitial Channel. And then your text here, will rename it to our slogan, Stay Vitial. And then we're going to say OK. And now that's the main part. We have done the logo and the titles. So now we are moving on to transitions. Transitions are the one that actually takes this from and that and like swaps it and morph, kind of like that. So for my original video, I used Warp Zoom 3. It just creates this effect, right? Yeah. So it's okay if you put 1 right in here, because that will be enough. So now we're done with that part. Let's go for the like and subscribe part. So for that, we need some titles. So pick your own title. Like I like this one, new title 5. We're gonna pick this, and we're gonna go. So once you've done this, let's rename this like and sub. And let's choose share. And we're gonna go OK, but not yet, because now we're gonna make this whole thing. want to add a like one, if you want to add like your own like button, then you need to minimize this. Everything, it's kind of a bit savage, like in my previous video. Speaking of previous videos, if you haven't seen any of them, make sure you go and like the videos and subscribe them. So yeah, we are now done with that, so let's bring up the elements. So now in the elements, you have the like button right here, which you can drag it up into here, right here, and then minimize. Minimize it right here, and we can put it right down here. So that's all we got here, but if you guys really want a subscribe logo right there, you go to film stock and do the 7 days free trial, and then once you got that, you can have any subscribing tutorials, like when the subscribe bell icon comes. Actually, I haven't used that, so I prefer to use it because I don't know, because tell me like how did you even got, like tell me the ratings of your subscribe thing, and I hope to get the reply back. So now once we're done that, we are moving to the second part, the music. So we're gonna use my original music, which is Cradles, and we're gonna edit it. Now we're gonna play up a whole intro. And also, I forgot a tiny little bit of detail. You guys can go for effects and choose any effects you want. But for my original one, I used the strong glitch because it's good. So let's play this video and see how it goes.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
So it turned out pretty well, I guess. So guys, so this is the part we're gonna finish off the 3-video campaign. So I just have to say that I have 23 subscribers and it's a huge success for me. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. So if you wanna create some YouTube videos, make sure you also share this channel. So I'll see you guys next time. But until then, stay vitial. And yes, it is spelled with an I.